Welcome back. How you doing, everybody? It's John. Welcome back to my channel. I just want to announce my entry into Mars Garage Rust Bucket build. This is it in all its glory. Oldsmobile Cutlass. This is what I'm gonna build. It's one of my earlier ones when I started getting back into building models. Not one I'm real proud of, but it's gonna be great for a rust bucket. I think it's going to be fun. I don't know what I'm going to do. I want to do some stuff that I haven't done before. When I did the 65 step side pickup for my first rusting attempt. So this I want to do something different. I actually want to put some rot holes in it and try my hand at flattening a tire, maybe a few tires. So this is it. I do have the engine somewhere. Let me see. Here's the front end. I think that might be the hood. Let's see. Yep, that's the hood. I do have everything for it somewhere. Everything's I don't know. That might be the engine for it. If not, I can make it the engine for it. I've got everything I need, whether it's kit bashing or whatever. I've got everything I need to do this. So I'm very excited. Mars, thanks for putting this on again. Sorry I didn't do it last time. I was really worried about my skills. Oh, it shouldn't matter, right? We're just here to have fun and build and do our best to make it what we want it to be. So, Mars, thanks again, buddy. If you want to get in on this group build, which I'll tell you, it's fun because you can't really mess up. Come on, you're making a piece of crap is what you're doing. I'll leave the link for Mars Garage below. Even if you don't want to join the group build and you're not subscribed to Mars, go over, give him a sub. You're going to love his channel. He's really, really good at this rusting and aging stuff. So go check him out. Join us in this because it's going to be a blast. I want to thank all my new and old subscribers. If this is your first time watching one of my videos and you like what you see, please subscribe. Give me a like. Hit that notification bell so you know every time I put a video up. I want to thank you again. Have a blessed day, and I will see you on the next one.